Are you kidding me? Check this out. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. We're about to hop in the vet and go to the O'Reilly Autorama and Hot Rod Show in Dallas, Texas. This ought to be a blast. Let's go. So we made it to Dallas, although I live in Fort Worth. Let's go inside and check this out. Here we are at the Full Monty from Forney, Texas. So we made it inside the Dallas Auto O'Reilly Hot Rod Show, a 3-day car enthusiast mega heaven. And we've got Janice here, who's got one hell of a car behind us, and she's going to tell us a little bit about. All right, Janice, tell us a little bit about the interior.
The interior, this car is totally stock, so it is totally everything that came in the car when it was new is put is in here. Nice thing about this car is I bought this car new in 1970.
You bought it new in 1970.
And I had it restored right back to actually better than it was in 1970.
Wow.
We've been showing it now for what, about 3.5 years. Still not a lot I can say about it other than it's got 80,000 miles on it because I drove it every day.
What is the color called?
It's lime light green.
Lime light green. Okay. Did you guys have to drive far to come to the show?
We came from Northern California.
Wow.
It took us, well, let's see, about 20 hours probably to get here.
Okay. Okay. I really, really like it. Tell us a little bit about the engine.
It's got a 426 Hemi engine, of course, with the automatic transmission. Got bucket seats. It's got what they call a rim blow steering wheel, which is something that don't come on the road now.
Okay.
So this is basically a one-of-one car.
All right.
It's got a tape deck player, got a 6-way position seat, it's got a rear speaker. Superbird didn't come with a rear speaker. I think I said the 6-way position seat. This is a nice one for me.
Now, let me ask you, because I know they ran these at NASCAR, and I know the nose was an option that they put on at the dealer. Is that correct?
No, the car was actually made in Detroit. With that nose and the wing.
So it came from the factory with the nose and the wing on it.
Just like it is right now.
And do you know, is the nose fiberglass?
The nose is metal.
The nose is metal. Okay, awesome. And you said that you've kept the engine stock too, right?
Everything is stock.
Everything is stock. An OEM kind of girl.
Yes.
Awesome. Are you having a good day at the show today?
I'm having a really good day at the show. As long as people pay attention to my car, I'm happy.
Awesome. We've got Janice and Larry with their awesome 1970 Plymouth Road Runner Superbird, and it doesn't get much better than that.